If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome back to another episode of Sefla's Kitchen. And today we're going to be making a smoothie or milkshake with dragon fruit called the Pink Dragon Delight. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 10 to 12 tablespoons of sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of mint leaves, 2 glasses of milk, star of the soap, 1 dragon fruit which weigh roughly around 500 grams, and it's called superfruit because of the health benefits. So to prepare this, take a knife and cut the top and bottom tip just like this. Then after that, gently cut the soft spikes on the sides, and we just need to peel the outer skin. That's it. Now just roughly cut it into small pieces. Then put this in a juicer blender followed by all the ingredients along with some ice cubes, which is optional. And that's it, the Pink Dragon Delight with dragon fruit. So do test at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.